Here we have a hamstring routine using the jump stretch band. Here we're doing a straight leg raise, kind of a vertical type stretch to kind of hit the general bulk of the hamstrings along the back of the leg with this stretch. The typical routine is we'll kind of move the leg up and down 5 to 10 times. We'll then find a position of stretch, hold that for about 30 seconds, which allows the muscle spindles, or the things that stretch in the muscle, gives them a chance to relax and should give you a little length. We can run that again, or we can go into some knee pumps where we just kind of bend the knee and then lock it out, and bend the knee and lock it out multiple times, and kind of hit a new range of motion, hold it again, and then go through another round of raises and back and forth. Typically about 2 minutes of kind of those different motions back and forth is going to maximize your results as far as how much you're able to increase that range. Remember, with this, we're really just trying to relax the nervous system enough to allow that leg to go a little further, so that when we then go into our exercise things, we can then utilize a new range of motion, hopefully build strength in that new range of motion, capitalizing on that with either an isometric or an eccentric style exercise to build strength in a new lengthened tendon position. A couple of quick caveats on this one. This is obviously stretching the sciatic nerve as we bring that leg up overhead. So if you are getting any kind of foot numbness or tingling, we're gonna bail out of this for now. Also, if you've had a history of back pain and that's causing some weird tension or pulling on your back, you may want to adjust, because if we're actually stretching the sciatic nerve, we want to either shorten the range of motion or lighten the tension, or maybe this just is a stretch that isn't appropriate. There's certain times where putting a little stretch to the nerve can be nice, but then there's times where if it's creating numbness, tingling, or it's creating back pain, more than likely this is not going to be an appropriate stretch for you. And in that case, you're going to want to talk to one of our therapists and kind of work your way through that, and they can help troubleshoot that for you and find out what your next best step is. But always find a range of motion where it does not hurt, or again, just scrap this exercise and go for the next one. But if you're somebody that just tends to have kind of chronic restricted hamstrings, or it's an old back injury that you've had several years ago, and as a result of that you feel a little tight, this may be a good one to utilize. It's just one that we definitely want to be careful with, especially because of the tension that's placed through the sciatic nerve. All right, so if you have any questions, of course, let us know, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.